Okay, so we are Team Sygma.
Woo!
And this is our final project.
Okay.
So, first of all, when we started off, we thought it would be cool to make a robot that can cross a bridge, that will supply the bridge and can cross it on its own. And this would be useful for practically no reason, except for you were really lazy. So, and we ran into some problems as far as weight goes versus the structure of the bridge, because there weren't that many pieces to work with. So we decided to scrap that after some labor on our part. The bridge, you can see how it's kind of bowing in the middle right here, just as we're kind of picking it up, so it wouldn't support that whole robot. So we finally decided to scrap that and make a trailer and a robot that would be able to pull a massive amount of weight. So if you want to kind of talk about the trailer a little bit here.
So we come up with the idea to make a trailer which pull a lot amount of weight. So the idea is only what do we call that again? This one? And the trailer pulled by a from
tractor
truck thing, and it powered by 3 motors, so it's kind of produce a lot of power to move a lot of weight.
So yeah, it started out kind of looking like this right here, but a lot of the things that we wanted to pull were too large. So Austin had the idea to kind of extend the trailer out a little bit and put some arms. You can see we kind of experimented with making it a little longer. That ended up not turning out so well. It just tipped it all back. So one of the things about this is that it's designed to get heavy items where you need them to be safely. So the most glorious function of this robot is that people who wish to rob you of your valuables that are being transported are 99.9% of the time in our test, we found out that enemies would run due to the intimidating red light and the sharp teeth that are not very good.
And the horn.
And the horns. Nobody wants to mess with it.
Are your top scientists on it?
Our top scientists are working on ways to make it even scarier. We are thinking of adding some sound effects to it to scare people away. And due to the fact that it's got kind of these little tusks on it right here, we affectionately named it the Pumbaa 5000 after the character Pumbaa from Lion King. So if you think about it, the Pumbaa 5000 can climb a 60-degree slope. Now, a Land Rover can also do this, but a Land Rover has a dynamic system, a 3.0 liter engine at least, and 4-wheel drive, and we are only powering 3 motors, 5 gears, with 6 AA batteries. And it's 2-wheel drive.
So you have 3 more motors than the Land Rover.
Exactly, but we only have 6 AA batteries. And then so the other interesting functions we have here, does anybody want to elaborate on these?
For this Pumbaa 5000, it can hold 20 times its own weight and it climb and still can climb a 30-degree slope. And for the F150 can also climb a 30-degree slope, but I don't think it can hold 20 times its own weight. I think it will cross the car.
I think so too. So just to give you some impressive facts, if you're thinking about buying a Ford F-150 or a Land Rover, the Pumbaa 5000 is probably going to beat those. So thank you for listening, and remember, they're limited edition, so you better buy it today.
Increase the code.
Yes, question?
Batteries sold separately or included?
We include batteries. We wish for no one to be stranded without a device to transport their heavy goods. So, yeah.
Do you offer insurance for this vehicle?
No, there are separate insurance companies that we collaborate with that offer discounts.
But 99.9% you will not.
Satisfaction guaranteed. Satisfaction guaranteed. Another question.
Do you have another color besides white?
No, we're thinking of developing a model that comes in midnight black with red highlights on it and red underbody lights that give it more activity. Yes?
No picture of the code?
So the program we designed with the idea of our customers not to have to worry about any of it. We're closely working with Apple in this sense. We don't want our customers to know how anything is done. So, the program in a sense, I will just say this. The program in a sense is simply a motor function. You press the button, it will go. And you don't have to worry about anything else. So it's just simply a motor function with a simple block that powers on the red light.
And how do you turn it off? Button?
You have to hit the off button. So once it reaches its safe destination, you must climb on top and press the off button.
How about the turning?
It does not turn. But if you point it in the direction it will go, it will mow down anything in its path. This is an as the crow flies transport system.
Can you buy the trailer separately?
The trailer is included, and you can buy sturdier different models of trailers that we're working on. But for now, it's just the combined model. Yes.
Can it pull multiple trailers?
I suppose it could. It can do just about anything you want it to do except for turn.
How do you combat the rapid problem of people walking up and just stealing it?
Just turn around the one.
This is a scale model. The actual one is much larger. Somebody else take some questions.
So it's scary because of the teeth and the light, but what if you come up behind it?
It looks like a beetle, right? Through horns, maybe?
You do
not
not
quite as scary.
You do not sneak up on the Puma 5000. The Puma 5000 it goes however fast it wants to go.
Chase me down.
Quite possibly.
Can it go up the stairs?
It goes through stairs.
It will destroy the stairs.
What about cliffs?
Alright, one more question.
Does it do reverse?
Reverse?
Yeah.
The Puma 5000 knows no reverse. it only knows one direction, and that is
So if we send it
That's
to
a
the
good
wrong room, we cannot get it out.
precisely. Should we demonstrate real fast right now some of the abilities of the Puma 5000? Or shall we
Your
save that?
choice.
We'll say that for later.
The demonstration will be coming soon.
Okay.
So thank you for listening.
Thank you.
Hear you.